How does the GSE Satellite driver phase controller work? Before installing the controller, expose the wall mount brackets. Use the screws supplied with the controller when mounting the controller to your wall. Be sure to mount the controller in a safe place, keeping it well ventilated. For safety reasons, it is strongly recommended to mount on non-flammable surface, such as brick, concrete, and never wood, plastic, cardboard, or similar. Do not place your controller in small unventilated rooms or cabinets. Improper installation will result in overheating of the controller. Plug your AC fan into the socket. Connect your fan controller, master controller, with EC output 0 to 10 volts, or PWM signal, to EC in. If you have more than one, connect the next phase controller, slave controller, to EC out. Power your controller and check that the power LED light is lit up. The phase controller satellite driver can extend your AC fan installation by 2300 watts power, and has stepless control. The satellite driver has a built-in temperature surveillance sensor to protect from overheating. In case of overheating, the controlling range of the fan becomes fixed. While the controller is cooling down, the exhaust fan runs at maximum speed. After the internal temperature of the satellite driver falls below 50 degrees Celsius, the controlling range returns to variable fan speed.